Pebetsi Matlaila almost passes away while giving birth. Schemes Arm actress Pebetsi Matlaila has taken a break from social media after several reports suggested that she had given birth. Opening up about the experience for the first time on IG, the actress has revealed that she almost lost her life. "I don't know yet how I survived. I'm told most women with preeclampsia don't. I cannot wrap my head around it yet or comprehend what happened. I am told we were brought back from death and shock doctor. One day I will share the story. I don't know why God chose us. For now, I appreciate health and deeply grateful for life," she posted. Pebetsi revealed that this year has been extremely challenging for her. From car accidents, depression, and a life-threatening birth, she's been through it all. Since this year began, actually, my existence on Earth has been tried and tested. High health risks, car accidents, depression, and anxiety, fatally challenging birth experience. So literally, God gave me a second chance at life. I will never take it for granted again, she further added. The star then posted about how God has gotten her out of the darkest times of her life. "God's promise is that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. I like to joke and say I am one of God's favorites because of his constant favor upon my life. Some may just look at it as pure luck, but God always favors me in ways that I even get surprised. This near-death experience, which doctors are calling a miracle, said to me, God is not done with me yet. I wanted to get comfortable and complacent. God shook me and woke me up, literally." The newlywed then shared a video of herself sharing some words of encouragement with those going through difficulties. "How you look at the challenging moments of life where everything seems hopeless, like there's no light at the end of the tunnel, and it feels like you are fighting a losing battle every day. How you look at those challenging moments will determine your outcome," she shared. "Are you looking at them as punishments from your past mistakes, or are you looking at those challenging moments as a test of your faith, or are you looking at them as a preparation for the next level of your life?"